Hello YouTube, we're making videos old school, like we went back in time. This is my old camera that's broke. The one I made that brass piece for the battery door, old Canon, that's the old Windows 7 laptop. See it over there? Still alive. And my one I bought in 2016 is dead. It didn't even make it 4 years actually. 16, 17, 18, 9, yeah. It just made it. It died like 2 days ago. So it didn't really make it 4 years. But here's my buffing kit. Here's that box I did. So I want to show you my buffing kit. This was a pullover sweatshirt hoodie was given to me for rags. And look how nice that is. I can't tell you what was inside or outside. Look how nice that is. Works great for paint, for cleaning, like for grease rags. So I got another endless supply of that. Here's what's all in here. You got your wire brush wheels. Might as well keep in here because I have my tool cart. That's that scrubby thing that's about gone. That's just for plastic. I use that one. I got 3 different compounds. Really aggressive on nasty stuff with the black compound. This would have been the blue or gray. And then this is whatever one too. I mean, they get nasty. You could try to turn them backwards, but they might fly apart. I have done it. And this is where your final buffing, like on plastic screwdriver handles. Now I have an extra kit of these, okay? And I do have some of the white and reddish brown rouge, what people call it. But there you go. No pictures. Don't want to sound like I'm being short there, but we're going to make some videos. We don't know how long it's going to be before we get back in the game there, because the Google Chromebook, I haven't studied a lot. I have seen a few videos. It will make a simple video. Kind of leery of getting, some people tell me different websites you can get stuff to do videos for you, but then you're really not private. They have watermarks on them, and it shows where it was made. And I'm even making some really simple videos if I get the Chromebook to work. It is very complicated. I mean, Windows 10 was a little bit more complicated than Windows 7. You know, when I first started YouTube, I didn't even know how to run a computer except to go shopping on the internet. I knew just the basics, how to turn on, use it. So the whole YouTube experience was quite a learning computer thing for me. But that light does on this old camera worse than my other one. Here you go, one more shot. There's my channel page over there. It's kind of like step back in time here. Let's take advantage of a bad situation, right? Little trip back in time. That's the old computer when I first got on YouTube. I got a tear in my eye. I don't feel sad for that other one. The other one was a piece of junk. It was that Toshiba. It never worked right in Windows 10. It stalled. It balked. You'd be watching a video and it'd just do that and lock up and shut off and come back on. It was doing like for 2 weeks, like every other day. It'd stop on the video. I knew it was going to go. I don't have the fun. I had just enough to where I was able to get the Chromebook. And even if I get a new laptop, I'll still keep that Chromebook. We plan on making a video of it, but the battery's being charged right now. So we will make a video showing you what it looks like. Won't show nothing private on it or nothing, but like that. That's my YouTube channel. I can show that. I can show it to everybody. There, see? Okay. We're done. We're out of here. I don't want to seem like I'm being short with anybody, but we're making little short videos, so we got something stocked up to post once in a while. So temporarily we're going to be stopping the Sunday and the shop videos. So thanks for watching. This is the time to get you to watch because I know it's winter time and we're all bored. So see you next time.